Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to change your age on X. So changing your age on X involves editing your birth date in your profile settings. So let's tap profile picture in the top left, and now you want to go to your profile. Now on your profile, press find and press button edit profile, and now go to birth date section. You want to tap here, and please read this note that your birth date can only be changed a few times. Make sure you enter the age of the person using the account. So this is done to prevent abuse of the system, especially regarding age restricted content. So please be mindful about that. Let's tap continue button, and now tap on your birth date over here, and now you can select your new day, month, and also year. So let's adjust it, and also you can adjust the visibility settings under who sees this section. So you can decide if you want to hide your birth month and day and also year from the public. It's completely up to you. And finally, when you're ready, you have to tap continue in the top right, and after that tap save button as well in the top right corner of your screen. So that's how you can change your age on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.